Hello and welcome to Go Buyer Registry. I'm going to show you how to add a buyer after you've done your initial login and changed your password. This is your home screen, so just go to Add Buyer and category. I'm going to do single family detached. You do not enter any personal information about your buyers. All communication will go through the agents. So I'm just going to say buyers need by 2021 in Northeast Heights. Now, description, you can add as much detail as you want. There are some fields already picked out for you, so you don't have to put those in the description. So bathrooms, bedrooms, garage, and budget, those are all down here. So up here, I'm probably going to say views of the Sandias and like a yard for a dog. Okay. They're not contingent and they have signed a buyer-broker agreement. This is for sale. I don't think I'm going to check any of these, but you can. And then you're going to add your bedrooms and bathrooms, minimums, and budget. Down here, I am going to say that they are going to New Mexico. They want to stay in New Mexico. So this would be the location that they're wanting to move into. And you can get as specific as you want or not. I think I'm just going to say La Cueva District. School district, I'm going to leave the postal code and the neighborhood alone. You can save as a draft to edit it, put in more information later, or you can submit it as a listing and it goes live into the database. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to see any other tutorials, please comment below. Thank you and have a great day.